Morning children, how are you? Shall we start today class? In the previous class we discussed about that even though her mother took care of herself, she gave birth to the deformity child. That's why she blamed herself so many years. Understand? Her father also, his father also left the hospital, and his mother also anxious state. In the previous class we discussed. Watch the next paragraph. It was so hard for them, but right from the start, they did their best to make me independent. It was so hard for them. What is the meaning of the it? It refers to the decision of his parents. That's why it is a very hard decision. What kind of the decision? They wanted to join to their child into a common school, the mainstream school, not a handicapped school or special school. That's why when they took this kind of the decision, it was very hard to them. At the same time, uh, from the start, they did their best to make me independent. So even though it was the very hard decision that made him to become the independent. Understand? So whenever they took the decision, it was the very hard to the parents, at the same time the child. But that kind of the decision only made him to become the independent. Do you understand? Next. My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. And his dad put him on the water at 18 months. In the water, 18 months. That means 1.5 years. What purpose? He wanted to give him the courage and also how to learn and swim in the water. Understand? His dad teach him how to swim in the water at the age of 18 months. That means 1.5 years. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. Already I told you that you can play the games playing which the games we are playing on the ground, the football and skateboarding. And also he was a great fan to the English Premier League. Already I told you that English Premier League means football match. Understand? Next paragraph. Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6 years old. His mom invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and pencil. Here mentioned the Nick's father's profession. He was a computer programmer and a accountant, and he taught his little son and how to type with the toe at the age of 6 years. Understand? Here mentioned T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Taught means past tense of the teach. Teach, taught, taught. Another one, think. T-H-I-N-K. Think, thought, thought. Did you understand the difference between the two words? Think means we are thinking something. That is a past tense to that. Thought, thought. Here teach. The teachers are teaching. So his father also teach him how to type with the toe at the age of the 6 years. That's why it is a past tense of the teach. His dad taught him and how to type with his toe at the age of 6 years old. His mom also invented a special plastic device, and with the help of that plastic device, he can hold pen or pencil and I can write on the board. We can see in the picture. See, he hold with his mouth and insert a pen or pencil and sketches in the plastic device, and he is writing something on the board. Are you watching the textbook? Here. So it is the plastic device, special plastic device. With the help of this plastic device, you can able to hold a pen or a pencil. Understand? So next, despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted on his attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Despite of risk of being bullied. Bullied means teased. Understand? Bullied means teased by his colleagues. That means the peer groups means his friends, some other students. His parents insisted on his attending the mainstream school, even though he is feeling difficult in the school. But his parents insisted him. That means you should go to that school only. We never change the school. You must go to that school only. That is the insisted. Understand? It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick. Already I told you that. That decision only made him to become the independent, and also he can stand himself on his legs and he can do everything. And also who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. Understand? His parent decision only he was able to complete his graduation, and graduation in the financial planning and real estate. Already you know that real estate, they are selling the lands and buying the lands to others. So that's why he completed his degree in the financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Already I told you that it was very hard. What refers to it means it was the parent decision, but that decision only made him to become the independent. Understand? Watch the next paragraph. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Understand? Here also this paragraph started with a who. In the first class I told you that the sentence which is combined with the relative pronouns, who, which, where, that, these are the relative pronouns. Those are called the relative clauses. Understand? So here also mentioned that is the non-defining relative clause. Because of that, Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Not only it is defining about he is bullied and he had an electric wheelchair, and also he had a team of carers to help him. Understand? That's why it is the non-defining relative clause. Understand? And again we will discuss when we are discussing in the grammar part, defining relative clauses and non-defining relative clauses. Understand? For his mobility you have a wheelchair. Already you know that we can see in the hospitals, and some handicapped persons have some wheelchairs. They can move from one place to another place. At the same time he had some of the team of the persons to care of him, to help him. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. Understand? At the age of 8 years, he got very depressed, deeply depressed. That's why he went to his mom and also told her, I want to kill myself. Nowadays also committing suicide has also become very fashion. Now recently we saw that the Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, he also committed suicide. Because of that, he got depression. Nowadays we are living in the modern age, modern technology age, but the people are getting some of the depression, the loneliness, and also some egos, and also some competitions, and also they are comparing to other people when they are failing, and also how they want to live in the society, they are committing suicides. Understand? So what will you achieve if you commit suicide? Is there anything, any useful? No use. If you know the value of the life, you can understand what is the value of the life. Education and some other parts, job, professions and other things are the only parts in a job life. Understand? So if you failed in the education, you can fail in your department, you can fail in your cine field and anything, and also you can try another way, and there is so many chances are there, opportunities are there, you can get success. But if you commit suicide, what is the use with the suicide? Understand? So that's why our life is very great. It is given by the God. And also whenever we are born in the womb of the mother, and also the period of the time, how many years we can live on the earth, God can decide. Understand? Only we have to protect ourselves, and we are depending upon the God, and also God will lead us in a right path. But that's why don't get suicides. Nowadays it's become the fashion. We can see in that TikTok and some videos also, they are keeping some selfie videos for while they are doing the suicide also, they are keeping some selfie videos and committing suicides. It is a crazy. They don't know the value of the life. Students, understand. That's why don't get depression. If you get depression, you go to your parents, elders, and well wishers and teachers, and also take their guidance. They will guide you how can you overcome the depression. Understand? So that's why our life is very great. It is given by the God. So that's why don't end your life with the committing suicides. Understand? In the same way, Nick was also got depressed when he was 8 years old. He went to his mom and cried himself, "Mommy, I want to kill myself," because of that depression. The peer groups of the children, students are teased him because of he had no hands and legs. Understand? While they were teasing, and also he was very insulted, and also you want to commit suicide. That is the depression of the reason. Understand, students? Excuse me. Next paragraph. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there and to look after me. I felt cold and bitter. These are the binomial words. Cold and bitter are the binomial words. Cup and saucer, leaps and bones. These are the binomial words. And also coming lessons we have some this kind of the grammar part also there. Binomial words. These separate meaning also there. I felt cold and bitter means I felt so difficulty. Understand? I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after me. And what happened? He felt very difficult. He hated the God. Why God you made me like this? Understand? My parents are there to care of me. Even though if my parents were not there, what will happen in my life? Who can take care of me? That's why he hated the God. In the same way, in our lives also, sometimes we are hating the God. It is not a good thing. Understand? With the God's grace only, we are breathing the air and also drinking the water, eating the food, everything by the grace of the God only. Understand? We never hate God. Understand? If we are facing some problems and difficulties in our life because of our wrongdoings, because of our wrong steps only. Understand? That's why he hated the God. Why God had made him like a torso. Understand? His parents were there to take care of him. If parents were not there, who can take care of him? That's why he hated the God. Understand, children? Okay, come on. Next paragraph. I could brush my own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with the pumped action soap, but there was so much that was impossible for me. Understand? He could do himself the brush. That means the brush is fixed to the wall and also he is moving his head. And also he took the head bath because of the showers. Only something is possible in his life, but so much thing is impossible in his life. Understand? Because he had no arms and legs. Understand? Okay, next paragraph. At the age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. I felt there was no purpose. When you lack purpose and strength, it is hard to hold on, he said. But with the help of his religion, friends, and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Understand? At the age of 8 years, he wanted to commit suicide. Again, at the age of 10 years, he wanted to commit himself suicide. Understand? But at the age of 8 years, not mentioned in the textbook, but at the age of the 10 years, he drowned himself in the bathtub. We can storing the water some plastic tubs in our houses. In the tub, he want to drown himself. But fortunately, his attempts was unsuccessful. He was saved. Understand? And here mention one sentence, Sama. Watch here. I felt there there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. did you understand what is the meaning of the sentence? Once I read this sentence again. I felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. That means we are studying in the schools. Nowadays we are conducting online classes, but normally you are also attending the classes. And also what purpose you are studying? You are coming to school and you are studying in the school. One good purpose, one main purpose. You want to get good education. After that education qualification, you can get a good job, and also you can lead your life in a prominent way. Understand that purpose you are studying in the school. If there is no purpose, can you read in the school? No. That's why here also mentioned there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. Past time. Children understand? He felt with his life there is no use. That's why when I lack the purpose, what is the use to live myself? Live myself. Understand? That is the meaning of the sentence. But it is hard to hold on, he said. But with the help of his religion, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Understand? He depressed himself. There is no use with my life. When he got depression like this, who helped him, who guided him? His friends and family members and his religion. And also with the help of the parents and family members and religion. And also he pulled through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Understand? Not only national, he became an international symbol to overcome the symbol of the triumph. Triumph. How to pronounce this word? Triumph. Triumph means victory over adversity. Adversity means difficulties, problems. Understand? So when he got depression and when he said himself, my life is waste, my life is nothing, there is no purpose with my life. At that time, his friends, family members and his religion helped him to become an international symbol of triumph of the adversity. Understand? Okay, next paragraph. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and helped others, said Nick. Understand? When he was 13 years old, he read a newspaper article. R-E-A-D, read. Understand? V1, V2, V3. The spelling is same, but we have to pronounce V1, read, V2, V3, read. Understand? It was a past tense. When he was 13 years old, he read a newspaper article. That newspaper article contained a disabled person and who helped others. Understand? So that's why it is a very important thing in his life. Watch the next paragraph. I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. Understand? So when he read that article, he realized himself why God had made him like that. Understand? What purpose? To give hope to others. So we can understand the newspaper article was a turning point in his life. Understand? So before he hated the God, after read that article, he realized himself why God had made him like a torso, to give hope to others. And also he got so inspiration to that article. Understand? From that time onwards, he decided himself, and also he spent his life to give courage to others, to give the hope to the others. Understand? So that's why we can say simply, and also the newspaper article was turning point in his life. Understand? Before he hated the God, why God had made me like a torso. But after read that article, he realized himself why God had made him like a torso. Understand? So that's why it was the turning point in his life. I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. Understand? That time onwards, he learned something. He always thankful to God what he had and not get angry what he hadn't. Understand? In our life also, what we had, we said thanks to God every day. We are breathing, drinking water, taking food. We are living in the good house. We are taking shelter. Understand? That is all the grace of the God only. Some people are thinking that it is my own strength. I earned it. Understand? So it is not. So many rich people are there, but they can't eat the food properly. Understand? The health also must be given by the God. That's why always we must gratitude to God what we have. We never get angry what we hadn't. Understand? The Nick also decided himself what he had to be thankful to God, not get angry what he hadn't. Understand, students? Next paragraph. I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what the world is right, that I have no arms and legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. Understand? One day, he stood in front of the mirror and looked at himself in the mirror. And also he is appreciating himself. I have the beautiful eyes. But the worldly people, some other people, they will say, I have no hands and legs. But they never take away the beauty of my eyes from me. Understand? That's why we always gratitude to God. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Understand? The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. Challenges means here some of the problems and difficulties are coming to our house. We have to face them. And also they are given the strength to our convictions. What is the meaning of the convictions? Beliefs. Convictions means beliefs. Understand? They are not there to run us over. But when the problems come, we never run away from the difficulties. We must overcome the difficulties and problems. Understand? And we can learn something, some lessons from our difficulties. That's why they can teach us the good lessons. Understand? In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen Year of Award for his bravery and perseverance. In 1990, Nick got Australian Young Citizen Award. For what purpose he received that kind of the award? For his bravery and perseverance. Bravery means his boldness, timidlessness. Understand? And perseverance. Perseverance means persistence. Means pattudala. That means if you want to achieve something, you should get. Understand? Until he reach his goal, he never stop his attempt. That is the perseverance. Understand, children? So for his bravery and perseverance means persistence. He got the Australian Young Citizen Award, Year of the Award in 1990. Next paragraph. And once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was looking at me interestingly. She could only see my head, so I decided to do a 360-degree spin in the car seat to freak her out. Her face was like a, ooh, what is going on? She sped off really quickly. Understand? It was one of the funny incidents occurred in the lesson. One time, once he was stopped in the traffic signal lights. One beautiful girl was looking at him. Why? Because only through the windows his head only visible to her. Understand? So when she was interestingly watching him, he wanted to spin his seat 360 degrees. Do you know that 360 degrees? One circle. Understand, the measurement of the circle is the 360 degrees. So it is possible in his car he can turn the seat in a 360 degrees. So when he did the 360 degrees seat, when the girl saw him, she sped off from there. She ran away. Here mentioned, her face was like a, ooh, what is going on? That means it was a great surprise. She sped off from there. She ran away from that traffic signal lights. Understand? It was the funny incident in the lesson. Next paragraph. Nick began traveling the world, and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12. Understand? And Nick started and traveling throughout the world. And also in 2008 he went to Hawaii to meet the Bethany Hamilton, surfing master, and who had her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12. Now, children, understand, in 2008 you went to Hawaii to meet the Bethany Hamilton, surfing master. You want to learn surfing, that's why you went to Hawaii to meet the surfing master. Bethany Hamilton was a female person. So many last year batches also they have confused. Bethany Hamilton was a man or woman. Understand, woman. Because of that, when she was 12 years old, her arm was bitten off by a shark. While she was doing the surfing in the water, a shark bitten off her arm. This is the arm bitten off, cut by the shark. Understand? I am stopping lesson here, students. Already I told you that you read the lessons thoroughly. You can develop the reading skills. At the same time, I told you that to write the everyday one page for the handwriting, you can improve your handwriting. So many times I told, again I am telling now, you have to improve your handwriting. You have to develop the reading skills. Understand? Okay, take care of you. Stay at home, stay safe, and see you next class.